In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a rotate effect in Clipchamp step by step. If you want to create dynamic, eye-catching videos where your footage spins smoothly for transitions, edits, or creative effects, this quick tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. The best part is, you can do this directly inside Clipchamp without any complicated settings. Make sure to watch until the end so you can fine-tune the speed and direction for the perfect result. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. Once your project is open, head down to your timeline where all your video clips are placed. Now, click on the specific video clip that you want to add the rotate effect to. This step is important because Clipchamp only shows editing options for the clip that is currently selected. When you click on the clip, you'll notice that it becomes highlighted in the timeline, and the editing options will appear on the right-hand side toolbar. Make sure you've selected the correct clip before moving forward. If you don't select the clip first, you won't see the effects panel for that video. Once your clip is selected and highlighted, we're ready to apply the effect. Next, move over to the right side toolbar. Here you'll see different editing options such as filters, adjustments, and effects. Go ahead and click on Effects. This will open the Effects panel where Clipchamp provides several built-in visual effects that you can apply instantly to your video. Inside the Effects section, scroll through the available options until you find the Rotate effect. Depending on your interface layout, it may appear directly in the list or within a categorized section. Once you see Rotate, click on it to apply it to your selected clip. As soon as you click Rotate, you'll notice the effect is automatically applied to the video in your preview window. Your clip will begin rotating based on the default settings. But don't worry, you can fully customize how this rotation behaves. After selecting the rotate effect, you'll see customization options appear. Here you can adjust the speed of the rotation. Increasing the speed will make the clip spin faster, which can create a dramatic or energetic look. Lowering the speed will make the rotation slower and smoother, which works great for subtle transitions or creative storytelling moments. You can also adjust the direction of the rotation. This allows you to control whether the video spins clockwise or counterclockwise. Choosing the right direction can help match the flow of your edit, especially if you're transitioning between scenes or syncing the rotation with music beats. Take a few moments to preview the effect in the playback window. Press play and watch how the rotation looks in real time. If it feels too fast, reduce the speed slightly. If it's too subtle, increase it until you get the desired impact. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional your final video looks. If you ever decide you don't like the effect, you can simply deselect it or remove it from the effects panel, and your video will return to its original state. Clipchamp makes it very easy to experiment without permanently changing your footage. And that's it. That's how you add and customize a rotate effect in Clipchamp. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks. Select your clip, open the effects panel, choose rotate, and adjust the speed and direction to match your creative vision. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Clipchamp editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.